Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making banga soup. For those who don't know banga soup is a native soup used in eating fufu, wheat, semo, whatever you prefer it. You can also use it to eat rice. So keep watching. To prepare this soup, we are going to be needing our banga. I'm using this calm banga fruit. So if you have the seed, you can also use that. This is what I have here. And I have my meat here. I already cooked the meat. I'm using goat meat and then cow foot. You can use beef, you can use any meat of your choice. And here I have my crayfish and dry usira leaf. I don't know what it's called in English. I think the Igbo call it oziza leaf, I think so. But in Esan we call it ebu shira. So if you know the name in English, just leave it in the comment section. We all are here to learn. Here I have some local beans and chopped onions. I washed that local beans very well. You need to wash it very well, if not you will see stones inside. Here I have my blended pepper and onions. You can use dry pepper, it's optional. 2 seasoning cubes, some fish. I'm using melusa fish and microfish. So I will just start by putting some water in the pot, then allow it to heat up a little, or better still boil it. And I will just go ahead and blend this my usira leaf and crayfish. And after blending it, this is what it should look like. Yeah, exactly like this. The water is hot now, so I will just put this banga, then allow it to melt. The banga have melted now, so I will just use this filter and filter it. There's some particle in this banga that I don't want to cook with my soup. I don't know if you can see that clearly. There's some particle under this banga. So can you see that? That is what we have in this banga. If you are using the calm banga, so this process is very important. For me, I do it when I'm cooking banga soup. And I will also recommend you do the same, because I don't know what is that. I don't want it to cook with my soup. Do you see that? So I don't know what this really is, but maybe it's oil, I don't know. But for me, I remove it when I'm cooking banga. I don't want it in my soup. So I will just transfer it into another pot again. I want to make sure all those black things are not in this banga anymore. So after that process, I'll just cover it and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. Then come back and add my blended usira and crayfish. Add my chopped onions and local beans. Add my blended pepper. Then add the meat stock cover it to cook. It has been cooking for about 15 minutes. I'll just add my meat now. Why I don't add my meat early? Because I don't want my meat to be too soft. And I added my fish. I added the 2 seasoning cubes and some salt to taste. After adding that, I will just cover it and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how the soup looks. It's not yet thick, so I will just still leave this to cook for about 10 minutes more. Guys, can you hear this sound? So this sound means it's almost ready. It's thick now. I will just leave it and allow it to cool down before I remove that excess oil. So guys, the soup is ready. What you see me doing now is that I'm removing that excess oil because I don't want to leave it in the soup. This oil, you can use it to cook egusi or ogbono, so you don't have to throw it away. I will just put that in a plastic cellophane, then tie it and put in the freezer. That is all the oil I got from the soup. So this is how I will just put it in the freezer and remove it anytime I want to use it. Here is my banga soup, guys. So you can eat this with semo, fufu, pounded yam. You can also eat it with rice, but here I have my wheat. I'm eating it with wheat. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.